Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here, and today's video we will talk about the virgin hair, why virgin hair is good, why virgin hair is expensive, and why you should try virgin hair. So first, let's talk about why virgin hair is good. So virgin hair is also called ponytail hair in China, and the virgin hair is cut from the women's head, which means the head is live and it's maintained with enough moisture, nutrition, and liveness, and the cells are even live. So which means that when you use this kind of hair to make wigs, to make hair bundles, and to make any other kind of hair products, this kind of hair can last longer and is more natural as well. And the second point is the virgin hair is cutting from the single donor, from donor to donor, so which means it's not mixed, unlike virgin hair or unlike Remy hair or non-Remy hair. Virgin hair usually is single donor hair, so which means when you bleach it, when you dye the color, when you bleach it, and this color will be equalized and it's more saturated, it's more equalized. And on the other hand, if it's mixed donor hair like Remy hair or non-Remy hair, when you bleach it, even you use the same time and same bleach and same dye, the color may be different because different people have different texture of hair, and also different mixed donor hair maybe come with different texture, so there will be some flyaways or other things makes the Remy hair not so soft and silky with the virgin hair. And the third one is the virgin hair is very versatile. The versatility of the virgin hair. The virgin hair can be taken bleach, can be make different curl patterns, and because it's unprocessed, it's strong and it's versatile. But compare with those processed Remy hair or non-Remy hair, maybe after you bleach or after you make any curl patterns, the lifespan will be not as long as the virgin hair. So all these things make virgin hair a good hair compared with Remy hair and non-Remy hair in the market. And the only con for the virgin hair maybe is the price. Usually the price for the virgin hair is much more expensive than Remy hair and non-Remy hair. Many vendors will use Remy hair or non-Remy hair to tell you it's virgin hair, but it's actually not. So in the future video I will make more videos to talk about how to tell virgin hair out from the Remy hairs. And this is Joyce hair, virgin hair. Why you should choose the virgin hair from Joyce hair? Because we know the origin of the hair and we know the process of the hair. Compared with other vendors, many vendors maybe not even know where the hair is coming from and what process has been processed for the hair. But we know the process, we know the origin of the hair, and which makes us different from other vendors. We have seen so many people who tried once our Chinese raw virgin hair who will never want switch back to the previous Remy hair or other vendors version, so-called virgin hair again, because this our Chinese raw virgin hair is noticeably much better than other vendors so-called virgin hair and Remy hairs. So if you are a reseller, you should definitely try our virgin hair because it's so much better. It will create your clients' loyalty to you, and it will help your business grow. Okay, in the future we will make a detailed video to tell you how to tell real virgin hair out from the Remy and non-Remy hairs. Please stay tuned and please subscribe to this channel and like this content. Thanks for your time for watching and have a nice day.